Now I'm another 3/4 of a mile below the rock quarry going back towards Rowlesburg. This Baltimore and Ohio viaduct here. Old stone viaduct way up there. It appears there was another viaduct they're crossing right here, in addition to the huge one that's up there. Okay, down there's like State Route 72 where I'm parked at. I've come up about 3/4. There's that old foundation. Not sure what that was for. Prevent erosion? Or was there a crossing? Because there's one right here. It's buried in debris. I'm under the viaduct right now. And I'm going to get right up there into the sun. Okay, I've just about made it to the top. The B&O viaduct here, this old one. Pretty far across. And as I suspected, it's an active line up here. I'll show you the rails real quick, how shiny they are. Still going across this old viaduct.